Hello everyone. Today's topic is R programming for data science training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about R programming for data science training roadmap. About course prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities about training. Now we are discussing about the course. R programming for data science training is a comprehensive program designed for learners to acquire the knowledge and skills needed to analyze, interpret, and visualize data using statistical techniques in R. Statistics is a fundamental aspect of data science, enabling professionals to derive meaningful insights and make data-driven decisions. This training typically covers foundational concepts such as descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, probability theory, and hypothesis testing. It also delves into practical applications like regression analysis, correlation, analysis of variance, ANOVA, and statistical modeling using powerful R packages such as dplyr, tidyr, ggplot2, caret, and stats. Additionally, learners explore data visualization techniques with ggplot2 and base R graphics to effectively communicate statistical findings. Participants gain hands-on experience working with real-world data sets, performing exploratory data analysis, EDA, and applying machine learning concepts where statistical methods play a crucial role. The training often includes topics such as time series analysis, Bayesian statistics, and non-parametric tests to ensure a well-rounded statistical foundation. Furthermore, the curriculum emphasizes best practices in data handling, data cleaning, and working with large data sets while ensuring accuracy and efficiency. By the end of the training, learners are equipped to perform statistical analysis confidently, making them valuable contributors to industries such as finance, healthcare, marketing, and AI-driven decision-making. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, R programming for data science training provides essential tools and knowledge to stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of data science. Next, we can discuss prerequisites for an R programming for data science training. A foundational understanding of statistics and mathematics is recommended, as key concepts like probability, distributions, and hypothesis testing are essential for data analysis. Familiarity with data handling and spreadsheets can also help in grasping data manipulation techniques more effectively. Now we will learn about eligibility criteria for R programming for data science training students and graduates. Ideal for those pursuing or holding degrees in computer science, statistics, mathematics, economics, or related fields. Working professionals. Suitable for data analysts, statisticians, business analysts, and researchers looking to enhance their data science skills. Beginners in data science. Anyone with a keen interest in data analysis, machine learning, or statistical modeling, even with minimal programming experience. Basic knowledge requirement. Familiarity with statistics and mathematics is recommended, and prior programming experience in R or any language is helpful but not mandatory. Next, we are knowing about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of R programming data analyst. Uses R for data wrangling, analysis, and visualization to support business decisions. Typically earns an average salary of $60,000, $90,000 per year. Data scientist. Builds statistical models, applies machine learning, and performs predictive analytics using R. Can expect to make between $90,000, $150,000 per year. Business analyst. Leverages R for data-driven insights to optimize business operations and strategies. The salary range is generally around $65,000, $110,000 per year. Machine learning engineer develops and fine-tunes machine learning models using R packages like the caret, random forest, and boost. With statistical knowledge, can earn between $100,000, $160,000 per year. Research analyst conducts statistical research in fields such as finance, healthcare, and marketing using R, generally makes between $55,000, $95,000 per year. Quantitative analyst, quant, utilizes R for financial risk modeling, algorithmic trading, and investment analysis. Specializing in statistical models for financial analysis, can earn between $120,000, $200,000 per year. Biostatistician applies R for statistical modeling in medical, pharmaceutical, and epidemiological research, especially in healthcare or pharmaceutical sectors, can earn $70,000, $130,000 per year. Data engineer works with large data sets, database integration, and big data frameworks using R and Spark R. typically earns between $90,000 or $140,000 per year. Economist uses R for economic modeling, forecasting, and econometrics with packages like VARS and LUMTest. Marketing analyst analyzes customer behavior, campaign performance, and market trends using R statistical capabilities. The salary range is generally around $80,000, $140,000 per year. The last topic is the training program. The GoLogica R Programming for Data Science course offers comprehensive training designed to help you master statistical analysis and data science using R. With a focus on hands-on practice, this course enables you to analyze, interpret, and visualize data effectively using R powerful data science libraries. You will gain expertise in statistical methods, data manipulation, and visualization techniques, learning how to tackle real-world challenges in data analysis. Throughout the course, you will cover essential concepts such as descriptive and inferential statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and data visualization using libraries like Daplia, Tidyr, ggplot2, and Base R graphics. The curriculum also delves into key areas like time series analysis, machine learning basics, and Bayesian statistics, empowering you to use statistical techniques for predictive modeling and decision-making. This training is ideal for both beginners and professionals. It provides flexible learning options to fit your schedule while offering expert guidance from experienced instructors. Whether you're looking to transition into data science or upskill in statistical analysis, this course prepares you for success in the rapidly growing field of data science. After completion, you will receive a certification validating your skills, enhancing your career prospects. GoLogica also offers resume building assistance and interview preparation sessions to help you secure real-world job opportunities. With this course, you will be well equipped to advance your career and stay competitive in the dynamic world of data science.